Srangsal Sarigo Village Council election no twiwi Devipur Muslim Parawa Kaisa Bodol Swlaimani Panda Pandao no Dalbidal Bodol Yakarwi 30 Familyni 63 voters Romkha Tipra Motha Bodolni Bana Yapharwi Bohrokno Lamjaksagwi Naharkha Pandao Manjaknai Naruwairok Bisingtwi BC election no twiwi tabokni simino Dalbidal thaibo khlaijagwi tongkha samung homong aboni logi-logina khlaijagwi tongkha Bodol Swlaimani Panda Pandani Bisingtwi no Dalbidal Bodol Yakarwi 30 Familyni 63 voters Romkha Tipra Motha Bodolni Bana Yapharwi Bohrokno Lamjaksagwi Naharkha Pandao Manjaknai Naruwairok
Long live, Tipra Motha long live, YTF long live, minority long live, minority long live, YTF long live, Bohrokno long live, Bohrokno ki jai, Bohrokno ki jai, Tipra Motha ki jai.
Asalni Bodol Swlaimani Pandano twiwi koksanani thangai Tipra Mothani Khorang adong shakha
Tini Devipur BC Androgoto Chini 1 number ward Chini Muslim Parawo Chini minority Sampradayini bro Bibhinno party special BJP khenma bango 30 poribaro 63 buda Tini Tipra Motha wo joining khepe Amba bari khaksawo tini bo join khepe mon imsinyo Chino local leading khenai Chini Safik Mia ebong Chini Takhomani kya Chini Sandri Bajani leader no block level ni ya Chini Kurban Babu ban soyota kheye ban angkhrumo bai tini ba join kheha Chini MDC sar kenaram ni ya oromye chong bus kangwo Devipur ni BC no chong birodhi patra no shunno kheye Tipra Motha joy jekto khe man state jilla ye tini Tipra Motha ground on khai tongo agami bara chong bodike joining program chi thik bam khobor tongo chong kam kene joining program khenai Tipra Motha singula boddo babe chong party khenai kya befok balaya chong kya bok tulaya chini sangothanik babe chong rajnitik babe chini procesta khethanai gonotantra babe chong joy lab khenai aramne chong Tipra Motha jara joining khephainai banabari khaksa mahamberi
Asalni Pandao Manjakha MDC Kenaram Riang South Zonal Joint Chairman Harendra Riang Tipra Motha Minority Leader Korvan Ali former Education Chairman Naren Riang former Block President Pratap Riang Youth Leader Sojak Mano Khowai te Govan Adongro Santir Bazar Nisimi Bikram ni Koktum Chini Khorang